the middle, and we have Martin in the back. We're being flown today by Captain Nicholas, and he's being assisted by First Officer David. Our plane's name today is the Blue, and our estimated flight time to Fort Lauderdale is 1 hour and 27 minutes. Your safety is our number one priority, so please give us your attention while we walk you through this plane's safety features. Please follow along with the safety information card in your seat back pocket. Federal law requires you to follow all lighted information signs and posted placards, and especially crew member instructions. Customers are encouraged to report any unwelcome or inappropriate behavior to an in-flight crew member. To buckle your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top flap of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight across your lap even when the seatbelt sign is off, and have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat. If instructed by the crew, tear open the pouch, remove the vest, and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, clip the buckle, and pull on the strap to tighten. As you exit the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tabs or blowing into the tubes on both sides. Do not inflate your vest inside the plane. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water. This Airbus A320 has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide that can be detached from the plane and used as a raft. An additional raft is located in the forward storage unit. In the event of an emergency, leave your personal belongings and head to the nearest exit. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead, and lights on the floor also guide you to the exits. Take a moment now to locate your closest exit, and remember it may be behind you. If there's a change in cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from overhead. Firmly pull a mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic band around your head and tighten with the straps on both sides. Oxygen will be flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Put your mask on first before helping others. We'll let you know when it's no longer needed. If you have any questions about this plane's safety features, please don't hesitate to ask. We'll be coming down the aisle for one last check. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, seat back is upright, tray table is stowed, and all carry-on items are put away. Smoking, including electronic cigarettes or vaping, is never allowed on JetBlue. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors is a federal offense and can result in a fine. This plane has 3 restrooms, 1 in the front, 2 in the back. On this aircraft, one of the restrooms in the back is inoperative, so there's 1 restroom in the front and 1 restroom in the back. And infant changing tables can be found in the front restroom and one of the restrooms in the back. Please don't flush hand wipes down the toilet or leave them in the seat back pockets. All of our planes are equipped with free unlimited high-speed Wi-Fi. To connect, select the FlyFi network, then head to flyfi.com. You can also glance at the card in your seat back pocket for instructions. Please keep in mind that making calls of any type while in flight is not allowed, which includes the use of VoIP, video conferencing, and Wi-Fi calling. We'll be adjusting the main cabin lights for departure. If you need it, there is a reading light above your seat. We'll be in the air soon. Thanks again for choosing JetBlue. That double chime means we're at 10,000 feet. You're now free to use the in-seat power outlets located underneath the seats in line with the armrest. Please stay buckled up and seated until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, if you need to use the restroom, please wait at your seat until one becomes available. As a reminder, all flights are non-smoking, including vaping and the use of electronic cigarettes. We want to give an extra thanks to our TrueBlue members and JetBlue card members. Now we invite you to sit back, relax, and chat. You've got the most legroom in coach. Thanks again for flying with us.